Everyone assumes hybrids like the Prius or Accord are the smart money saver for everyday driving. But what if I told you a full EV like the 2026 Leaf SV Plus ends up cheaper to own long-term, with smoother, quieter drives and almost no maintenance headaches? Hey everyone, welcome to AeroNext Auto. Today we're breaking down the 2026 Nissan Leaf SV Plus and why its ownership costs beat out hybrid competitors. In this video, you'll learn what actually matters in real ownership, where the real differences or costs show up, and whether it's truly worth it. The big question isn't just EV versus hybrid, it's which one keeps more money in your pocket after a few years of real driving. Hybrids get great MPG, sure, but they still burn gas, need oil changes, and have more moving parts that wear out. The 2026 Leaf SV Plus flips that. It's a full EV with a solid 75 kilowatt-hour battery, redesigned as a small crossover for better practicality. Expectation is range anxiety and high costs. Reality is reliable daily driving with electricity that's way cheaper than gas, plus fewer trips to the shop. On the road, this thing feels calm and collected. Acceleration is smooth and instant. 214 HP means you merge or pass without drama, and one-pedal driving makes city traffic relaxing. Highway comfort is solid. Cabin noise is low thanks to the electric setup, and the ride soaks up bumps better than you'd expect from a compact EV. Daily usability shines for commutes or errands. Quiet, no vibrations, and that instant torque makes stop and go feel effortless. Real-world range lands around 250 to 280 miles in mixed conditions. EPA says 288 miles, plenty for most people without constant worry. It's not perfect. The sloped roofline cuts into rear cargo space a bit compared to some rivals, so packing for trips takes planning. Tech is straightforward but not flashy. Dual screens work well, though some might miss more premium touches. Cold weather dings range like any EV, and if you rely heavily on fast charging, it's up to 150 kilowatts, decent 10 to 80% in about 35 minutes, but home level 2 charging is where it shines. Everyday annoyances? Minimal. Tires wear normally, brakes last forever from regen, but you do need to think about where you'll plug in on longer trips. This is where the Leaf pulls ahead. Electricity costs roughly 3 to 4 cents per mile at average rates, way below gas, even in efficient hybrids. Real-world efficiency hits strong numbers, sometimes beating EPA estimates in mild conditions. Maintenance is ultra-low. No oil, no transmission fluid, fewer brake jobs. Insurance tends to be similar or slightly higher than hybrids, but offset by the savings elsewhere. Warranty covers the battery solidly, typically 8 years, 100K miles for capacity. Over years, total ownership costs drop below most hybrids because you're not buying gas every week or dealing with exhaust or emissions fixes. Skip the base S Plus if you want the nicer wheels and bigger screens. The SV Plus hits the sweet spot at around $34,230 MSRP plus destination. That's where you get the best balance of range, 288 miles EPA, features, and value without overspending on the loaded Platinum Plus. Avoid extras that jack up price unless you need them. Smart money stays here and pockets the savings versus pricier hybrids that don't deliver the same running cost drop. The 2026 Nissan Leaf SV Plus starts at $34,230 MSRP USD, with many landing around 35 to 36K after destination. That's competitive against hybrid rivals like the Toyota Prius, starting around 30K but higher trims climb, or Honda Accord Hybrid, often 32K plus. Positioned smartly, it undercuts a lot of the segment on long-term value. Lower fuel equivalent costs and minimal upkeep make it punch above its price. Most buyers don't regret the 2026 Nissan Leaf SV Plus because it quietly outperforms hybrids on total ownership costs, cheaper fuel, less maintenance, and a more peaceful drive. The mistake happens when people stick with gas hybrid habits and miss how EVs like this one save real money over time. If this breakdown helped you make a smarter decision, consider subscribing to AeroNext Auto. We focus on real ownership, not showroom impressions. See you in the next one.